God message for you today. Being angry is not a sin. You all have human emotions, however, it is not right to sin while being angry. Control your anger, do not go to sleep angry, forgive and love. 10 10. This angel number is saying to you, angels and other spiritual protectors are watching over you. 1010 is a sign of protection and comfort. Ask your guides and they can help you through an hardship. Type 1010 to keep your energy clear. The universe is saying to you today, take an honest and objective look at your past experiences and take responsibility for your actions. Of lack of action, this is a necessary in order to recognize and acknowledge the belief patterns that you have that may need to be changed. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.